Hi, my name is Devin. I have a question. How is lightning different colors and why?
Thanks, Sarah. So lightning technically is always the same color, white, but that's not how we see it. The white light passes through moisture, it passes through dust and many other things that are in thunderstorms in our atmosphere. And as that light travels through all of these things, it alters the color, or at least how we see it. Red lightning, green lightning, it's all been observed before.
I want to see red lightning.
Red lightning is pretty cool.
That.
It's rare, but it has been observed before, and it depends if there's dust particles in the air, stuff like that. But
so maybe Oklahoma has a lot of.
Yeah, maybe Oklahoma, Lubbock, I don't know. Yes, but great question, Devin. Thank you, sir. We've got some more questions coming up tomorrow and probably next week as well from Elof Elementary.